Okay, so we're getting ready to leave. So one of the things that I have to do in here is first bring in the slide for the closet, because he's got to get to the sewer parts and stuff. So I pull that in just by pushing this button on the wall, and it comes in. Notice how it misses hitting anything I've got on the wall. That's a good thing. And now I'm going to pull the bed in, which is a little different. This is our bed. We bought a special mattress for it because the one that came on it was terrible. I have to lift this one up because it folds in half. Not as nice. It doesn't come in as nicely as the other one did, but you get the point. And then I'll bring it in all the way. It works for us, so we're pretty happy with this situation. So now, what was an okay sized bedroom is now nothing and no space. Little mirrored medicine cabinet and our sink area. And here is storage that I've hung on the outside of the bathroom door. And this is our bathroom here. Shower, towels, all the things. And light switch, turn that off, turn that one off. Hello puppies. Hello. This is our dining set. I'm going to pull that in now. I had this table made and then I finished it, stained it and all the things. But that place is a little harder to get through now than it used to be. Our little puppy bed can go right there. And I got my sink cover on, and now I'm going to put all this away. So I'm going to need both hands, and I'm going to put the phone down. I made this little treat jar for my pups. It says love is a 4-legged word. And then I put their names on the back. Xenia and Dolly. We call them Zinnie and Dolly. But anyway, I thought that was fun. So I have to put all that away so that it does not cause a problem. And then we've got just the front there, our cab, and all of the storage that we have up there, which is really nice, along with the TV, so we can watch at night if we want to. All right, travelers, I hope you journey with joy.